Hi! So, I actually got a bunch of stuff from Secret Alchemist again. Now, before we even get started, this video is unsponsored. They have not sent me the product. I've not received anything from anyone. I actually bought this with my own money, and I actually saw that they have like set of minis which I've actually bought in the past. I've made a long video. I'll just post it somewhere here for y'all. So I actually got the rose, bergamot and the jasmine before, which I'll actually tag it here for y'all to go and see if you want to see the review about it. But then I wanted to try rest of the perfume. I was like, you know what, I'll just go with the rose larger bottle. But then I was actually getting all of these stuff for about 1700 to 1800 because they have come up with the concept of build your own perfume. So basically what you have to do is whatever is your budget, like 1500 or 1700 or 2000, you can actually build in your perfume like whatever you like. Then you will receive like these kind of minis from them. You can actually try it on, and whichever you like, then you can actually go in with a larger bottle. So I thought I'll actually do like a first impressions, but then मैंने सोचा, you know what, let me just try it on, like especially few of them, and then it could be like a review for you all, and I will also take you through on how exactly it smells so that you would know the vibe. So yeah, let's quickly get started with the video. So the first product I really want to talk about is this one. Now this is the Rare Vanilla. Now I love the fact that all four of them actually came in like in a black color packaging, but this one only came in like in a white color. I really like it. Now the packaging, I like it. Okay, now I'm actually gonna put the top, middle and the bottom notes here for you all to go and refer, because I'm not gonna go in depth with it. I'm just gonna tell you my personal view on how it actually smells and if I like it or no. I like the packaging, so handy, so compact. You just throw it in your handbag or in your clutch or in your backpack and just get out of the house. I don't even have to like spray it on. Smells okay. This has a very sweet note. Okay, it has that vanilla thing, but then I feel it has this coconutty plus vanilla wala feeling, and it is so good. But I have to tell you, when I actually wore this like the first time, like on my body, I just sprayed it on, I actually felt that this was a little stronger for me. But then after a few hours, it actually blended very beautifully with the skin, and the smell was so subtle. I really liked it. And the best part, I have applied it around samajh lo in the evening, like about 4 o'clock something, just giving you a random time. Okay, it has stayed on my skin for good 12 hours. Like morning I've woken up and I've woken up with this smell, and I'm asking my pati ki, can you smell this? And he's like, yeah, I can smell. It's more like a sweet kind of fragrance. So yeah, what is my personal view? I think I like it. Okay, now everybody will have their own opinion. Somebody would not like the sweet note, but I actually liked it. Again, I'm telling you, the moment you apply it, you might feel that it is a very sweet when the smell of it, but then eventually it just blends in and then you smell so good. So I think I like this one and I would probably approve. And like I always say, it's always good to get like a minis, try it on, and if you like it, it's great. If you do not like it, then you can any which ways leave it, because if you go ahead and get like a larger bottle, then it's a waste of money, because obviously it's very expensive. But I think these minis just work, and you will actually see a lot of kits on their website, which I will actually put in the description box below and also tag it for you all. You can actually go and check their minis as well, as easy as 7.99, 8.99, and you can actually get those and just try it on for yourself. I'm just giving like a little more information. There's actually one perfume like from this range that I absolutely love, and I feel that I'm gonna recommend this to everyone, but you really have to wait, okay, for that to come in. But we're going to talk about the fresh, I'm not able to pronounce it, but it is fresh retriever with Tiver. I'm so sorry, I'm not able to pronounce, and I do not think I want to go and check. See, Now, this is something that I was talking about. Now, this is like a transparent bottle, and I like the detailing and everything. Again, very handy. Just throw it in your bag and just get out of the house. But I love the packaging because it doesn't leak, doesn't smudge, nothing. And that's the best thing about it. Okay. This is super fresh, okay? So I think this is like some summer morning kind of a perfume, which I would actually define it as. I'm actually smelling it again. This has like nice lemon, especially orange fragrance, like very citrus fragrance. So if you're someone who doesn't like sweet and want to go ahead with like something which is citrusy and yet very fresh, because you know orange, lime are like very summer vibe. So yeah, you'll really like this one if you want to wear something in the morning and something which is more like orange and lime. There's some flower also that I can smell. I think more to do with like jasmine that I can actually smell. And yeah, nice. The one thing that I really want to highlight about these perfumes are like, you know, the moment you apply it, I don't know, for some reason they come across as to be very strong, but then after a few hours, like even after 20 minutes to 30 minutes, you will see it settle in and seep in, and then it feels like so gorgeous. I mean, I have woken up. So I actually wore yesterday night saffron dusk. I think it is saffron dusk. Yeah, I wore actually saffron dusk yesterday night, and I have woken up with the saffron dusk fragrance, and I was like, how come it is there on my body skin like till morning? I'm not even lying, I am not exaggerating. The saffron dusk, oh my god. Honestly, I am not a fan because it's a little, again, this is sweet, this is saffrony. Saffron का smell, I don't know अगर आपने उसको smell भी किया है, उसका smell है भी या नहीं. But yeah, this is like little sweeter variant में है ये. Again, if you're like someone who really likes like sweeter version, then you'll probably like this. I'm literally taking a while to understand what all I can actually smell, because I feel this also has a little bit of caramel. Yeah, I think it has a little bit of caramel, a little bit of jasmine, and also orange, like a mix. जब वो mix होता है, तो how would you smell it? Like very sweet, right? It's not as fresh like the uh, previous one that I actually showed, but then this one is again sweet, and this will actually stay on your body skin for the longest time, I promise. But then again, I think you should get the mini. I am not a fan of the saffron dust because I thought and I felt that it is a little overpowering for my nose, because I don't want to get up in the morning with the saffron smell on my body. I would probably want to get up with the other one that I want to show you now, which is my personal favorite, and I would highly recommend, which is Midnight Patchouli. Oh my god, the moment I applied it, I was like, this smells like a men's perfume. And I have actually applied it now also, and I feel so good about it. I mean, this is so mild yet strong. So when you apply it on, you would actually have like, you know, oh my god, itna bada, I mean, itna strong क्यों है ये? But I promise, over few minutes or you know, in half an hour time, it is just going to settle in, and you will be like, wow. And this is something that men and women both can wear, because I personally feel that this is like a men perfume. I actually also made my husband try it, and he was like, wow, it's nice. And I really want him to keep this one because, you know, it's cleaner perfume and all of those stuff. But yeah, this is really good, and I think out of everything that I've bought, this is like my number one for now. This is actually Midnight Patchouli, if I have not spoken about it. So calm, so good. I mean, perfect for night, but also for the day, but also for men and also for women. And it just stays on your skin. Just apply it on your body skin as soon as you take your shower and come out. Even if you're wet, even if you're not wet, just apply it on your body, and you're gonna smell so amazing. Make sure that you apply behind your, you know, ears. You apply it here on the notes and also on your body, like the collarbone and stuff, and the smell is just gonna stay, and you really need little of it. And I think this is the only one thing that I've used for about 2-3 days now, and a very little goes, and I think this will go for a very long way. And I have the last one. I'm not very sure if I've used. No, I've used. This is the Royal Tuberose. This is also something that I like. This is more like the rose one. Yeah, this is again very fresh. Ha, nice. Nice. This I have actually tried the Royal Tuberose. Now this is very good. I like this one. I actually tried it on. I tried it on, and yeah. This actually settles in, and I know I'm saying it because I'm just trying to remember that I had actually applied it, and how did it actually stay on my body. Yes, this is also something that I liked. I do not actually speak about this. I am like literally taking all the fragrance. I do not want to get a headache, but honestly, these are all mild. Okay, I would say that this actually smells like sandalwood, a little bit of orange, jasmine, rose, tuberose. Oh my god, this is such a good one. Like if you want something which has a combination of like rose or maybe a little bit of peonies, and citrus and sandalwood and rose of course and tuberose for sure. I think you can go with this one. They're so fresh again. So my personal favorite out of the five, number one has to be Midnight Patchouli. Then it has to be the Royal Tuberose and the fresh one. Okay, the fresh vetiver. I'm just gonna say vetiver. I'm gonna go back and check for the pronunciation because it's not good that I don't know. So I like the three that I've actually spoken about, and then comes like vanilla. You can actually try it on if you're someone who likes sweet. And then last would be like the saffron dusk, because I think that was a little overpowering for me. But yeah, that was about the video, and we need to shut it. And tell me in the comments, which one do you prefer? Have you ever tried it, or did this video was helpful? Let me know in the comments. I would love to give it a read. And if you have any questions, you can always come back to me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.